In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your PayPal account to QuickBooks Online and keep your transactions organized and reconciled. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account so you're on the main dashboard. From here, open the banking area. In some layouts, it may appear as Transactions, then Banking. Look for the Link Account button. This is where you'll add a new financial connection. In the bank search field, type PayPal and select it from the results. QuickBooks will guide you through a secure authorization so it can read your PayPal activity, approve the connection, and confirm the permissions. This only lets QuickBooks import transactions and doesn't let it move money. Next, choose which PayPal account or accounts you want to connect. If you have a business and a personal PayPal, make sure you pick the correct one. You may be asked how much historical data to bring in. A shorter range imports faster, while a longer range gives you more context. Once connected, QuickBooks will begin syncing your PayPal transactions into the Banking tab. Make a habit of reviewing and categorizing these items regularly. In the For Review section, you'll see payments received, fees, refunds, and transfers. Payments from customers should generally be categorized as income and matched to existing invoices when QuickBooks finds a match, so your accounts receivable stays accurate. PayPal fees should be categorized to your fees or bank charges expense account, which keeps your net and gross sales clear in reports. If you move money from PayPal to your checking account, mark it as a transfer so it doesn't show up as income twice. For refunds, select the appropriate refund or expense category to reflect the reversal correctly. Add concise memos when needed. A few words now can save time later. Over time, syncing will keep the flow of transactions up to date, but it's the reconciliation that confirms everything truly lines up. Reconcile your PayPal activity against your PayPal statements or reports, ideally monthly. In the Reconcile tool, choose your PayPal account, enter the statement's ending balance and date, and check off the transactions that appear on that statement. The goal is to reach a zero difference. If you see a discrepancy, look for missing fees, duplicates, or unmatched transfers between PayPal and your bank. By linking PayPal, categorizing consistently, and reconciling on a schedule, you'll maintain clean books, accurate reports, and a clear picture of your cash flow. That's all you need to confidently manage PayPal in QuickBooks Online.